This has been weighing heavy on my mind. I'm all right. So guy was asking me, one of my buddies kind of, dabbles on the side hustle, uh, asking what's the best dishwasher? What are the best dishwashers to flip and all that? And I was like, listen, man, I can't say I've learned this lesson myself. I learned it the easy way. So I took some good advice is, is there are none, there are no dishwashers that you should fix and flip. Um, you know, so here's the basic rundown, right? So the most you can sell a dish, even if it's a top end dishwasher, you're not going to sell it for more than $400. $300-400. Scratch and dent is a different story.
Yeah.
I'm talking about fix and flip. So say you sell a dishwasher, or you sell it and then you sell the install with it. The install's $250 where I'm at. So sell dishwasher, we'll say average $200. Sell the install, so $450 job, right? And either you yourself you do it, or one of your technicians, depending on how big you are. And it gets a small drip that nobody sees, and 6 months later you're stuck with a lawsuit that costs 50x that dishwasher sale. So yeah, that's what I've learned, and so I stay away from them. I every now and then I'll sell them. I got about 30 of them, but it's just for like buddies and stuff.
Mm-hmm.
But yeah.
So whenever I was doing like apartments and stuff, and I would uninstall the old appliances, install the new ones, and they would pay me with the old appliances. I would get like full kitchen sets, pretty cheap, and I would sell those dishwashers, but I'd sell them as is because I could test them whenever I removed them. But I'd just sell them as is because there really is a big risk on a dishwasher and a small drip, just like what Derek was saying.
Wow,
that
yeah.
we've had that before. You have to go back and you gotta get your construction hat on and go repair some floors.
The scales of profit versus
risk,
it doesn't make sense.